AOC E1659FWU 15.6-Inch Ultra Slim 1366x768 Res 200 Candelas M2 Brightness USB 3.0 Powered Portable LED Monitor with case. 16, 15. 6 Viewable display, 200 Candelas M2 Brightness, 16, 9 Aspect Ratio. Max resolution 1366x768, 500, 1 contrast ratio, 5 milliseconds response time. Multiple USB monitors can be simultaneously connected to a single laptop to function as a multi-monitor PC or Mac. Simply installing Display Link software on the PC or Mac allows you to easily add multiple USB monitors for external displays without unnecessary extra hardware. USB-powered, no power cable required, with USB 3.0 technology. Foldable flexi-stand for portrait or landscape view in auto pivot mode. Ultra slim design for easy carry on the go for business presentations on frequent travelers, and cases included. Refresh rate, 60 Hz. Compatible with Windows 10, but with only Display Link drivers. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.